Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Setting up a new PC or a fresh install of Windows 11 is exciting, but Microsoft makes it really hard to skip that forced online sign-in. But maybe you just want a private local account. Today, I'm going to show you the best ways to skip the Microsoft account requirement and get straight to your desktop. I'll be using a virtual machine for this demo, but don't worry, the steps are exactly the same on your physical laptop or desktop. Let's get you logged in without the strings attached. Our first method is a classic trick that works right inside the setup screen. We're going to pull a little magic trick. Press the Shift key and F10 together on your keyboard. If you're on a laptop, you might need to hold Shift plus Fn plus F10. A black command prompt window will pop up. Now, type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. This opens your network connections. Right-click your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter and select Disable. This cuts the internet so Windows can't call home. Now, go back to that black terminal window. Type oobe/bypassNRO and press Enter. Your PC will automatically restart. When it boots back up, follow the prompts again. This time, when it asks for internet, you'll see a beautiful new option that says, I don't have internet. Click that. Boom! You can now type in your local username and skip the Microsoft Cloud entirely. Just remember to go back to ncpa.cpl later to re-enable your internet drivers so you can browse the web. Now, there's actually an official way to do this, hidden in plain sight. On the setup screen that asks, how would you like to set up this device, choose the option for Work or School and click Next. When the sign-in screen appears, don't enter an email. Instead, look for Sign-in options at the bottom and click it. Now look for the magic phrase, Domain Join instead. Click that, and Windows will stop asking for a Microsoft email and simply ask, who is going to use this PC? Type your name, skip the password if you want, and you are in. This essentially tells Windows you're joining a corporate network, but it lets you create a local admin account right on the spot. That is how you take back control and set up Windows 11 25H2 with a local account. No email, just your PC, your way. If this helped you out, drop a comment below and let me know which method worked for you. Stay passionate about tech, and I will see you in the next one.